those. I have some goodies. I actually got them a little bit ago, and I was so excited. I opened them right up, and I went to go use them and thought, oh my gosh, I didn't show them to you guys. So these are from Vintage Craft Cave on Instagram. I don't know where my camera is. I have a new camera, so please bear with me. I hear a lot, where do you get all your cool stuff to use? Some of it I get around the area in the vintage shops and the peddlers malls and things like that. A lot of it though I actually get from people like Vintage Craft Cave. So if you go and see my unboxing videos, you'll see a lot of stuff from her. And there's a couple people that I go through now, but they have the coolest things that I can't find in my area, and their prices are wonderful. Even the shipping is not too bad. And everyone I work with, they work with me also, in case I need a extra little bit to pay on my invoice, or if I want to wait to combine shipping, things of that nature. So she is one who is very, very good with that, and she has the coolest things. Like, it's really hard for me to find any Edith Holden books here. So I was able to snag this one from her, and I really appreciate it. I am hugging this off camera. I know you can't see that, but I'm so happy, happy, happy. And this book, I actually missed it. It was sold to someone else because I couldn't get to the sale in time, but she was able to find another copy and ordered it for me. I am so thankful for when that can happen. She tries very hard to, I'm trying to see if this needs to be brighter. It's really hard for me to tell because the screen is kind of high up from where it is on my island, but anyway, if she can find another copy of something or extra of something, don't be afraid to send her a message and say, hey, I really wanted that. Is there any way that you can find another one for me? And oh my gosh, I didn't even ask her to find another one for me. She just said she thinks she can, and she did. And I am super happy. Look at all the beautiful illustrations and the wonderful information. This is super duper cool. Those of you that watch my stuff or know me know that I love herbals and floral flowers, and things like this are right up my alley. They are super, super cool. I just love, and the difference in plants that are in here versus what's in what I can find around here. Because this is an international book printed in Czechoslovakia. So there are actually different flowers in here. A lot are the same, but like bellflower, harebell, a lot of them are the same, but some of them are actually seem like they have different names. Like a hairy violet. And a heath violet. Like we have ground violets and different types of that, but I don't know that in any of our books they're called hairy or heath, so I think that's pretty cool. White clover, I love white clover, and purple clover. It's just a beautiful, beautiful book. So I am super grateful that she was able to find this for me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Another book hugging off camera. Ha ha ha. And then this one is a super neat book. It is Greek. So I don't know what it says, but I love books that are in different languages. Even when I can't read them, that doesn't bother me. But the pages are just so beautiful. And some of them I'll keep in my collection. Some of them I will use for my journal and card and mixed media making. But I think they're just so pretty, and the cover is flexible with this lovely printing on it. So that was a really cool find. I really like that. And then I was able to get a little ticket pack. A little bundle. And these are so neat. She has cool tickets as well. Different kinds. I love using tickets in my journals for little tuck spots, tiny pockets, the back page of a tiny journal. These are just super, super cute. And this is really neat. This is for hose mending. It's actually thread on a little bobbin. And it's the color and the texture of the hosiery. So isn't that cool? That it still has the thread on it, and the brad and the mechanism still works. I absolutely love that. That's going in my sewing notions of happy things. So, and I also have a giant bundle of all these cool postcards. I hope you guys can see those okay. Maybe I'll bring it up a little. I have to learn this new camera. How cool is that? Just flip through some. Ooh, someone's bedroom. That's cool. The master bedroom at Puttenden Manor, Lingfield, Surrey. Super cool. Oh, I love all the architecture. Look at the bathtub. Oh my gosh. Who else would love to have this bathtub? I totally want this bathtub. I would be snug and comfy, and I don't know where it's from. Oh, Puttenden Manor. Okay. Cool. Solid copper bath. I really want... Ooh. That's neat. I can imagine that bath in that castle-y area. Castle. Pevensey Castle, Sussex. Oh, super cool. Oh, look at the neat mosaic. There are all kinds of really cool. This one's black and white. Dear Auntie, there is not snow like on the picture, but higher up there is plenty. We slept on the overnight train, which was exciting but hot. Love, Hans. Oh, how cool. Oh, look at the neat stamp. So fun. I love all the postcards. Ooh, that's a neat one. Ooh, look at that one. That's cool. Some of them have the really neat edging on it. And she'll have bundles or singles, and it just depends. If you see a bundle and you only want one or two specific ones, you can always message her and see if she can do just those ones that you want specifically. Oh, cool. Or you can get a neat big bundle like this and be totally surprised at all the cool things in there. Copper tea kettle. I love copper and tea kettles. So cool. Go with the copper bathtub in my little castle. Oh, look at that cute little donkeys. Oh, neat. Black Creek Pioneer Village, Toronto, Canada. See, you can get postcards from all over the world, not just the UK or anything like that. Super cool. Stonehenge. Very neat. Oh, I just love these. And they are so much fun. And you can go through and see which ones are written on and find out some cool things about people and their lives. That was so awesome. And then this beauty. And she always packages everything very well. So it's all in baggies and all wrapped up, so you do not get any water in it. This is cool. These, I think, were just random sheets that I got. Occasionally she does have the magazines and stuff like that. I do not know if she has any left. But these are cool. The London Illustrated London Times. Ooh. How neat are these pages? To wrap up some happy mail or to make some cool envelopes and pockets and background pages. From 1855. Yep, all 1855 so far. Oh, look at that. There's a front cover. Oh, how cool. Ooh, look at this one, guys. Wells Cathedral. Isn't that beautiful? There's the back side of a lot of them. How cool is this? And there's actually, this is a double page. where it has the insects. I actually was able to get the mushroom one from her, and now I was able to snag the insects that matches it. So you can see it in a previous video for the mushroom one. This is super cool. I can't wait to put both of those in a frame and have them on the wall. Well, anyway, those are my sharings of things that I've gotten from, and this is Vintage Craft Cave. So if you get a chance, the links are down below. Check her out and see if she has any goodies that you might like. So now it's time to make stuff with them, right? Yeah? Okay. Thanks everyone for watching. If you could, please give me a like, a thumbs up, a subscribe. It just takes a moment for you and means a whole lot to me, and helps out with the the YouTube algorithm. So thanks very much everyone. See you next time. Bye.